Hey guys, it's your girl Augusta. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I made this video tutorial to show you guys how I made this chunky jumbo twist. Guys, this hair is so natural looking. It's tension free, as you guys can see. If you don't look very well, you actually think the twist is growing out from my scalp. So it's tension free. I didn't use any rubber band whatsoever on it because I didn't want any tension at all on the root of my hair. I just wanted to make this, you know, natural looking twist, and because I have the type 4 hair, I wanted it to look like I twisted my own natural hair. So if you're going for this kind of look, you know, the jumbo natural looking tension free no rubber band twist, then this video is for you. Okay, so keep watching. And I also tried my best to show you guys the step by step on how I was able to achieve this twist. I used the Expression Spring Afro Twist in 16 inches, and I used the color 1B, and I also used this Shine and Jam gel. And if you've been watching my YouTube channel for a while, you will know this gel is like an OG on my channel. This is the gel I really like using for my protective hairstyle. So you can use this Shine and Jam gel or any gel of your choice. And guys, I've had this hair on for about 5 days now. Yeah, I made this hair like about 5 days ago, and I've not really had the time to come and, you know, do this intro video. So I finally had the time today, and I decided to do a little makeup and come and show you guys what the hair looks like. So yeah, this hair is 5 days old, and the root is still looking so neat, even though it's kind of loose. So before we jump right into this tutorial now, if you're here to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get notified anytime I post a new video. So guys, I already did the back of my hair, but I left out the front side so I can show you guys how I was able to do the twist. I did about 8 twists at the front of my hair. I did 4 twists on each side of the hair. So I parted out my hair using my rat tail comb, and I wasn't so concerned about getting a very clean part just because we are going for a more natural looking twist here. I went ahead to use the Shine and Jam gel on the roots of my hair just to hold the hair together, and this is also going to help my natural hair blend in with the extension hair I am using. And guys, I parted a medium sized hair just because I'm going for a medium or jumbo size twist. So if you want your twist to look smaller than mine, then you want to, you know, part out a smaller size of hair, and you're also going to be using a smaller size of the extension hair. I went ahead to split my hair into 2. Guys, one thing I like about this Expression Afro Twist is that the hair has already been separated, like it's pre-separate and pre-fluffed, so it makes your job very easy, and it also saves you a lot of time. So I used 3 pieces of hair for each twist, and I just went ahead to fluff out the tip of the hair. Remember to split your natural hair into 2. I went ahead to grab the piece of extension hair I'm using, and I placed it right in the middle of the hair. Then I went ahead to use one of my hands to grab one end of the extension hair and my natural hair, and I went ahead to start twisting or turning it together. I did this to have a very firm grip of the hair. Now I went ahead to use my second hand to also grab the second end of the extension hair and the other piece of my hair, and then I started twisting. To make sure I have a very good or strong grip of the roots of my hair, I twisted or turned the second part of the hair, and I continued twisting. And guys, I did about 2 to 3 twists, and I went ahead to conceal my natural hair by hiding it behind the extension hair. You just want to grab your natural hair and fluff out the extension hair you're using and conceal, like push the hair into the extension hair, and this is going to help conceal your natural hair. And you want to go ahead and do it on the other side and continue twisting. If you didn't get a grip of it this first time, just keep watching because I'm going to explain this again. And I know it sounds like it's kind of difficult, but it's so easy. As soon as you're able to figure out the first and second one right, you will see how easy it is to do your twist like this. So I'm going to show this again, okay? So you want to bring out the size of hair you're going to be using for this twist. And I combed my hair just because I want to make sure it's not tangled anywhere. So you want to go ahead and split that hair into two. Grab your extension hair, and I used 3 pieces of the Afro Twist hair. I went ahead to fluff out the tip. So you want to grab that hair and place it right in the middle of your natural hair. Just place the middle of the Afro hair right in the middle of your natural hair. Now you want to grab one end of the natural hair and one end of the extension hair, and you want to turn them just to have a very firm grip of the root of your hair. Now you want to use your other hand to grab the other side, okay, and start twisting. And guys, when you do the first twist, you want to also turn the second side just to have a grip of your root, okay? Just turn it, and then you want to go ahead and continue twisting. So you turn your natural hair and the hair extension together and twist, turn and twist. And I only did this at the root of my hair. I did about 2 to 3 twists, and I concealed my natural hair by hiding it behind the hair extension. Then I continued twisting. And guys, when twisting from here, you don't want to turn the hair extension and the natural hair anymore, because your natural hair is already concealed, okay? So you don't want to twist, you don't want to turn it anymore. You just want to go ahead and continue twisting. So guys, the weather changed up for me while I was still making this hair. It gets dark really quick these days. Like, this is just 5 p.m. and everywhere is already so dark. So I had to turn up my ring light so you guys can see what I'm doing, okay? So I'm going to show this a couple of times again. So finally come to the end of the video. And one thing I did to this hair that I didn't really show in the video is I kind of used hot water on the hair just to make it, you know, relax very well, because it was kind of hanging when I finished the hair. So I decided to use hot water on it. And guys, please be very careful, okay? If you are doing this, you can actually get someone to help you do this part of the process, okay, if you can't do it yourself. Yeah, so I boiled hot water and I kind of dipped the hair into the hot water, okay, and this helped it relax very well. So yeah, that is the only thing I feel like I did I didn't really show in this video. And for the tip of the hair, this is how the hair was when I was done. So I just kind of, you know, rolled it back this way. So guys, you know, we're going for the natural look, so I didn't really do much on the tip of the hair. This is all I just did. Okay, and the hair is like this. So this is what I did to the tip of the hair, as you guys can see. So you can actually go ahead and bond the tip of the hair if you want to. But you can actually go and bond the tip of the hair if you want to. If you really want all of them to be the same size, you can, you know, bond the tip, cut it, and kind of bond the tip so they can all look the same length. And I got these silver rings I used all over it, a hair store near my house. Okay, so I'm going to check if I can find a link to get something like this on Amazon, and I'm going to put it in the description box. So yeah, this is, you know, the hair when I was done, as you guys can see. And I love how chunky this hair is. I love the natural look. I love, you know, the tension-free roots. I just love everything about the hair. Okay, so yeah, if you're still here watching, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join this amazing family. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you guys in my other video.